Shalom everyone, and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to learn some romantic Hebrew words and phrases to impress your loved one. Whether you're celebrating with your partner, sending a sweet message, or just want to add some love to your vocabulary, I've got you covered. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for love is Ahava. Ahava. To say I love you as a male speaking to a female, say אני אוהב אותך. אני, I, אוהב, love, singular male, אותך, you, singular female. To say I love you as a female speaking to a male, say אני אוהבת אותך. אני, I, אוהבת, love, singular female, אותך, you, singular male. To say my love when speaking to a male, say אהובי. אהובי. To say my love when speaking to a female, say אהובתי. אהובתי. A kiss is נשיקה. נשיקה. A hug is חיבוק. חיבוק. A heart is לב. לב. Flowers are פרחים. פרחים. Chocolate is שוקולד. שוקולד. A greeting card is כרטיס ברכה. כרטיס ברכה. Romantic dinner is ארוחת ערב רומנטית. ארוחת ערב dinner רומנטית. Romantic, singular female. To say a date, we usually just say date, but you can also say פגישה רומנטית. פגישה, a meeting, רומנטית, romantic, singular female. To say I'm in love with you, as a male speaking to a female, say אני מאוהב בך. אני, I, מאוהב, in love, singular female, בך, with you, singular female. To say I'm in love with you as a female speaking to a male, say אני מאוהבת בך. אני, I, מאוהבת, in love, singular female, בך, with you, singular male. To get married is להתחתן. להתחתן. A romantic relationship is זוגיות. זוגיות. To say you are my second half when speaking to a female, say את החצי השני שלי. את, you, singular female, החצי, the half, השני, the second, singular male, שלי, of mine. To say you are my second half when speaking to a male, say אתה החצי השני שלי. אתה, you, singular male, החצי, the half, השני, the second, singular male, שלי, of mine. To say, do you want to go out with me? When speaking to a female, ask, רוצה לצאת איתי? רוצה, want, singular female, לצאת, to go out, איתי, with me. To ask, do you want to go out with me? When speaking to a male, ask, רוצה לצאת איתי? רוצה, want, singular male, לצאת, to go out, איתי, with me. To say, Happy Valentines, say, יום אהבה שמח. יום, a day off. אהבה, love. Sameakh, happy, singular male. To say, you are the love of my life. When speaking to a female, say, את אהבת חיי. את, you, singular female, אהבת, the love of, חיי, my life. To say, you are the love of my life. When speaking to a male, say, אתה אהבת חיי. אתה, you, singular male, אהבת, the love of, חיי, my life. A wedding is חתונה. חתונה. A male partner is בן זוג. בן זוג. A female partner is בת זוג. בת זוג. Longing, as in missing someone, is געגועים. געגועים. A male suitor is מחזר. מחזר. A female suitor is מחזרת. מחזרת. To hold hands is להחזיק ידיים. להחזיק, to hold, ידיים, hands. The word for marriage is נישואים. נישואים. A wedding anniversary is יום נישואים. יום נישואים. To propose marriage is להציע נישואים. להציע, to propose, נישואים, marriage. To ask, will you marry me? When speaking to a female, say, תתחתני איתי. תתחתני, you will marry, singular female, איתי, with me. To ask, will you marry me? When speaking to a male, ask, תתחתן איתי. תתחתן, you will marry, singular male, איתי, with me. To say, my boyfriend, say, החבר שלי. החבר, the boyfriend, שלי, of mine. To say, my girlfriend, say החברה שלי. החברה, the girlfriend, שלי, of mine. To go on a date is לצאת, לדייט. לצאת, to go out. לדייט, for a date. To say I miss you, as a male speaking to a female, say אני מתגעגע אלייך. אני, I, מתגעגע, miss, singular male, אלייך, to you, singular female. To say I miss you as a female speaking to a male, say אני מתגעגעת אליך. אני, I, מתגעגעת, miss, singular female, אליך, to you, singular male. Commitment is מחויבות. מחויבות. Love at first sight is אהבה ממבט ראשון. אהבה, love, ממבט, from look, ראשון, first. To say, I have butterflies in my stomach, say, יש לי פרפרים בבטן. יש, there is, לי, to me, פרפרים, butterflies, בבטן, in the stomach. To express feelings is להביע רגשות. להביע, to express, רגשות, feelings. To say, you are my soulmate, when speaking to a female, say, את הנפש התאומה שלי. At, you, singular female, הנפש, the soul, התאומה, the twin, singular female, שלי, of mine. To say, you are my soulmate, when speaking to a male, say, אתה הנפש התאומה שלי. אתה, you, singular male, הנפש, the soul, התאומה, the twin, singular female, שלי, of mine. Romance is רומנטיקה. רומנטיקה. To live happily ever after is לחיות באושר ואושר. לחיות, to live, באושר, in happiness, ואושר, and wealth. A love song is שיר אהבה. שיר אהבה. To flirt is לפלרטט. לפלרטט. True love is אהבת אמת. אהבת, love of, אמת, true. An eternal love is אהבה נצחית. אהבה, love, נצחית, eternal, singular female. A relationship is מערכת יחסים. מערכת יחסים. A romantic surprise is הפתעה רומנטית. הפתעה הפתעה, a surprise. רומנטית, romantic, singular female. A male lover is מאהב. מאהב. A female lover is מאהבת. מאהבת. A match made in heaven is זוג משמיים. זוג, a couple, משמיים, from heaven. To say, you make me smile. When speaking to a male, say, אתה גורם לי לחייך. אתה, you, singular male, גורם, cause, singular male, לי, to me, לחייך, to smile. To say, you make me smile, when speaking to a female, say, את גורמת לי לחייך. את, you, singular female, גורמת, cause, singular female, לי, to me, לחייך, to smile. A bouquet of flowers is זר פרחים. זר, a bouquet, פרחים, flowers. A honeymoon is ירח דבש. ירח דבש. To fall in love is להתאהב. להתאהב. A love letter is מכתב אהבה. מכתב, a letter, אהבה, love. To spoil someone in a loving way is לפנק. לפנק. A first date is date ראשון. date ראשון. A romantic movie is סרט רומנטי. סרט, a movie, רומנטי, romantic, singular male. And that's a wrap on today's Hebrew Valentine's Day special. I hope you enjoyed learning these romantic words and phrases, and that you get the chance to use them with someone special. Wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. Yom Ahava Sameakh. And I'll see you in the next video. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.